First came the waves, out from the dark came something warm, and all the waters turned to rise, like they had heard the moon before. Tell me now, do the boats move through your shadow, or does the ocean rise to meet you?
Life, we experience it every day. But what actually makes something alive? At first, the answer seems obvious, isn't it? Living things move. Rocks don't. But does movement really define life? Ink spreads through water. Fire seems to grow. Crystals seem to respond to their surroundings. So what defines life? And are living things really any different from rocks and stars? Maybe the answer becomes clearer when life disappears. Not all at once, but slowly, continuously. The structure begins to lose itself. And eventually life becomes indistinguishable from the earth beneath it. Left alone, structures weaken. And this tendency has a name. We call it entropy. But what exactly is entropy? Imagine you are in a park. Do we usually see people walking in perfect lines? Usually not, because there are simply far more ways to move however we want than to stand in one perfect line. So entropy isn't really about disorder. It's about arrangements that are more likely to occur. And at the molecular level, we see something similar. Atoms and molecules are always moving, colliding, rearranging, and over time, arrangements that happen more easily become more common. And yet, life seems to do something different. It maintains structures that would otherwise fall apart. We call this homeostasis. Your breathing, your heartbeat, your kidneys. At first, they seem completely different, but they are solving the same problem, maintaining structures that would otherwise fall apart. But maintenance comes at a cost. It takes effort. And yes, if life sometimes feels like a lot of effort, it's because